Good morning, boys and girls. I have a story. It's by Barbara Reid. Do you remember her? She was our author of the month back in September. And so she is an author and an illustrator. And of course, the medium that she uses to illustrate her books is plasticine, right? So remember we did those trees with plasticine and all that. So again, all the pictures in here she created using plasticine. This story is called Backyard Life Cycles. Backyard Life Cycles. Hope you enjoy it. Watch the monarch butterfly grow. The monarch butterfly lays its tiny eggs on the bottom of a milkweed leaf. After 4 days, the egg hatches and out comes a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats milkweed leaves and grows very quickly. Soon, its skin gets too tight, and the old skin splits open and falls off. In 2 weeks, the caterpillar is 5 centimeters long. It spins a silk button so it can hang upside down. The caterpillar splits its skin one last time and reveals a chrysalis. Over the next 2 weeks, a butterfly will grow inside. When the butterfly crawls out of the chrysalis, it dries itself in the warm sun. Then it unfolds its wings and takes flight. The beautiful monarch butterfly flies from flower to flower, sipping nectar through its tube-like tongue. That's really pretty, eh? Now let's talk about sunflowers. Watch the sunflower grow. The sunflower grows from a little seed. The seed has a hard shell to protect it from the cold winter. In spring, rain makes the seed split open. The root pushes into the earth and brings water to the growing stem. So you can see it kind of growing there. The roots and stem grow quickly. In a few days, there are 2 leaves. They turn sunshine into food for the plant. The stem grows straight up. Soon, there are more and more leaves. A big flower bud forms on the top of the plant. So you can see the bud there. By the end of summer, the plant is very tall. The bright yellow flower turns to follow the sun across the sky. In fall, the plant dies and droops, heavy with seeds. Birds and squirrels will eat most of the seeds, but some will stay hidden under the ground. Next year, they will grow into more big, beautiful sunflowers. Now let's learn about frogs. Watch the green frog grow. The green frog lays many eggs together in a mass of jelly. The jelly protects the eggs and keeps them warm under the cold spring water. So you see the mass of eggs here? Yeah. It's all in this like icky jelly kind of thing to protect it. In a few days, the tiny tadpole hatches. It lives underwater and attaches itself to the plants it finds there. So there are the tadpoles, right? The tadpole grows quickly. It begins to swim around and to eat plants. By the time it is 8 weeks old, the tadpole has sprouted back legs. Now it gulps air from the surface of the water and it eats tiny bugs. Can you see their little legs here? Even here, right? Little legs. And it's still a tail though, right? The tadpole's mouth and eyes get bigger, and its tail, well, it shrinks. It still lives underwater, but now front legs are beginning to grow too. So now you can start to see little front legs, and the tail is a little bit smaller. Soon, the small frog is ready to live on land, just like the big green frogs. So now it doesn't have a tail, and it has its 2 front legs and 2 back legs, right? And that's an adult frog. Let's talk about oak trees. Watch the white oak grow. The tiny acorn grows all summer long. It turns brown as it ripens. In autumn, the acorn falls to the ground. It stays buried under the leaves and snow all winter. When spring comes, the acorn swells and a white root pushes into the ground. So you can see the white root right there, pushing down. Soon the shoot grows straight up. It gets food from inside the acorn shell. It gets water from the root in the ground. Next, the tiny oak tree grows leaves. Now it is called a seedling. Under the ground, the seedling's roots spread and grow. When the tree gets bigger, it is called a sapling. The sapling grows taller each year. Its trunk gets thick and woody and brown. The oak tree grows and grows and gets bigger and bigger. When it is 50 years old, it starts to make acorns. The magnificent oak tree may live hundreds and hundreds of years, right? So that's pretty awesome. Here's some life cycles. So again, here's the monarch life cycle. Here's the sunflower that we just learned about, the life cycle. Here's the life cycle of the green frog. And here's the life cycle of the white oak. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit about backyard life cycles. That was a great story and amazing pictures, right? Barbara Reid is so talented, creating these this amazing art with plasticine. Must have taken her a long, long time, right? I hope you have a wonderful day. Love you, and I miss you all. Bye-bye.